Good morning, dear friends and YouTube family. The video has subtitles in all languages. Don't forget to activate the captions. Today is the perfect day to collect kumquats and make jam. The kumquat plant is native to southern China. They have been cultivated for centuries in other parts of the world. A kumquat tastes citrusy with a sweet, tart, and tangy flavor profile. It is rich in antioxidants, supports digestive health, aids in weight loss, associated with lower cancer risk. I am not going to collect all the kumquats on the tree, but I shall keep some for eating some other day. We need to wash off the dust, don't we? The amount collected is roughly about 500 grams. Which is almost equivalent to 1 pound. This quantity is enough to fill one small glass jar. Please make sure that the kumquats are cleaned very well. Now, let's begin to make some kumquat jam. Prepare the sugar, the cloves, and the lemon. First, we will have to remove the bitterness from the kumquats. Drop the whole lot in the boiling water. Cover and boil for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we sterile the glass jars by immersing them into boiling water. After 10 minutes time, strain the kumquats and get rid of the water. Put the kumquats in the cooking pan. Add about 300 to 500 grams of sugar. The amount of sugar has to be almost the same as the amount of kumquats. Pour a glass of fresh orange juice as well. I added some cloves to give the jam a beautiful flavor. Or you can add cinnamon instead. Mix them very well. Please watch until the end, so you can see how delicious it's going to be. Unfortunately, you can't taste mine, but go ahead and make your own. Bring them to boil, over medium-low heat. Keep stirring every now and then. I am using the whole piece of kumquats without removing the seeds. They help with thickening, thanks to their natural pectin content. I would appreciate it so much if you could like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can notice some foam being formed on the surface. The more you simmer, the more thick it becomes. Continue stirring until its color becomes darker. Now, squeeze about half of a tablespoon of lemon and mix very well. Here, the lemon helps to become more condensed or thick. Again, you will need to stir continuously until it gets thick. I have a question for this video, viewers. Why did the ants dance on the jam jar lid? Because it said, twist to open. Finally, the jam is ready. Once you could see the bottom of the pan, while stirring then you know that it is ready. Let it cool down and rest before you fill in the glass jar. Cover and store in the fridge, and will last for a year or two if left sealed. I deserve to have a taste of it, don't I? You can eat this kumquat jam and spread it on warm toaster biscuits for a delightful breakfast. But I prefer to eat it on the French croissant. So, ditch the ordinary and embark on a flavorful journey with kumquat jam and cloves. It's a taste but adventure you won't forget. Do you have a favorite way to enjoy kumquat jam? Please share your tips and tricks in the comments below. No matter how it looks, one thing is for sure. The combination of sweet kumquats and warm cloves will be a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. The vibrant orange of the kumquats will be the dominant color, ranging from a golden hue to a deeper amber, depending on the ripeness of the fruit and the cooking time. The warm brown of the cloves will subtly influence the overall color, adding depth and richness. Bon appetit!